these are some of the things which I learned when I was a child. I was the younger of the siblings. I have an elder brother and sister. And when I was a child, they used to go to school, I used to be alone. When I used to be alone, I used to play alone, I used to work alone, I used to study alone. So a lot of things used to happen alone. And sometimes it used to lead to frustration, irritation, maybe anger. My mom used to be with me. My dad used to love me a lot. We were very poor, and my dad used to work 16 to 18 hours in a day. So we used to wait till 2 o'clock for my dad to come back from work and then sleep. And that was attachment. My mom used to teach me some things which my elder brother and elder sister must have not been taught. Okay, some of the human values, some of the actions, which also made me a good, simple person till now. Okay, so I'm not 100% perfect, but I apply a lot of things, 80%, 90%. I'm doing good right now, and my life is much more better. So some of the things I'll let you know today, which are good. Okay, it's patience. Some people say patience is bad. It's bad when you keep on waiting for the action to happen. It's a way how you act while you wait is called patience. It's not keep on waiting, be an idle person. You need to have patience, you need to act while you wait. Some people may act very weirdly, some people may act very badly while they wait, they get frustrated. So patience is always required in your life. Opportunity knocks at the right time, at the right place, and at the right moment. So patience is required. Second is attitude. When you talk about attitude, everyone says be positive, be positive, be positive. No one says you are a positive attitude person. You are a positive attitude person. No one talks about it. People say be positive, that means you are negative. It cannot be like that. If you say you are a positive attitude person, even a negative attitude person becomes a positive. So this is more important attitude. It plays in your major role of life. Other thing is this is gratitude. As we are a BNI member, we know what is gratitude. Give, share. If you don't do that, your life is still empty. We were very poor, but a lot of people used to come to my mom to ask for money and something else. So my mom used to always share the food, what we used to eat. Okay, so sharing was always there. You can give. You cannot say, I don't have anything. Whatever you have it, share it from the pie what you have it. Sharing is always good. It makes you much more better. It makes you feel more better. You never know at any moment of life that sharing will come back to you. So gratitude should be always there. So that's what we believe in BNI also, give us gain. Okay. And then you got ethics. This is a conduct of your life. You do good or bad. If you do good, people recognize you, people respect you. If you don't do good, people will talk about you behind you. So ethics, you should have it in your personal life, in your business, whatever it is. Ethics will always count in you, in considering you for the long time of your life. Then you got simplicity. Simplicity always comes as you are. If you get a success, your simplicity goes off. Okay, we have seen people committing suicide after having a huge success. They are on the top, they are on the peak, and then they commit suicide because simplicity goes off. So you should always have a simplicity in your life. Wherever you are. If you are a millionaire, someone else is a billionaire. If you are a billionaire, someone else is a trillionaire. So you cannot say you are on the top of the world. So you should have a simplicity in the time you are staying, wherever you are. In front of anyone, maybe a person wearing a chappal or slipper, and you're going in front of him, you think he is not a rich person, but he may have billions of money in his account. You never know. So you should have a simplicity any time. If you show that you are the superior person, it's wrong. Okay. And what things gets you down in your life? Ego. It's a 3-letter word. I, me, I, me, I, me. It's called ahankar, ahankara in Marathi. It's only I. It's only I. You leave apart the complete world and say, I am, I am, I am, I am. I is one thing which is ego, which a lot of people don't understand. Ego always kills a person. You've seen in history, ego always kills a person. A ruler, a dictator, when he says, I rule the world, but he's no more later. No one can rule the world. So that's an ego. Never be egoistic. Anger is an emotion. Emotion where a person gets upset due to frustration, irritation, and leads to action, reaction. It can be harmful, it can be attacking, it can be threatful, anything. Anger can change anything. Anger can turn out to killings, anger can turn out to bad relations, anger can turn out to divorce. You need to control your anger, you need to calm yourself. Anger is very bad for your personal life. And then comes greed. No matter how much you earn, the moment greed comes into you, it will destroy your business. People greed a lot. Okay, I'm earning this much, I can earn 10 times, I can earn 15 times, but they don't have patience. They want to do it very fast and they try to have a more better, manipulate a lot of things, and that turns out to greedy. And when you turn out greedy, people understand that you're greedy right now. So they stop doing business, they stop talking to you. So greed is very bad. I'll add one more is D, which is desire. It's good to desire. Everyone has a desire. But desire should have a goal. Without goal, desire is bad. I need a Mercedes. I can work for getting a Mercedes for 3 years, 4 years. But I cannot go to bank and take a loan. I need to buy a Mercedes. I need a Mercedes to, immediately tomorrow. And then end up in paying bad debts. No money to pay loans to bank, So your desire should have a goal. Without goal, a desire is a desire. And it ends up in a wrong way. You totally get bankrupt. So desire is something which you need to limit. You should have a desire, but without any goal, you cannot limit your desires. Desires can be unlimited. You need a Mercedes, you need a villa, you need to move to world, move around the complete globe and spend money and done. You know more. So all things leads to a success. And when you are successful, share the success. Do not say, I am successful because I did this. There is someone behind you for success. Maybe a wife, maybe a sales staff, maybe your office, maybe your friends, maybe BNI members. Success is always shared. Success cannot be a single person's success. One person cannot change the world. It's all teamwork which happens. That's the reason I say, when you apply these pages, your age will go high. When you don't apply these pages and when you apply this age, your life will go down because you are full of anger, you're full of greed, you're full of ego, and you got a lot of mental problems, health problems, and your life is down.